Hey traders, today we're going to talk about exchange traded funds or commonly referred to as ETFs, and they might be a very good alternative for some of you who are holding mutual funds in your retirement savings account or whether it's in your investment account. There's a lot of advantages of being involved in exchange traded funds. So let me actually explain to you what exchange traded funds or ETFs are. They're simply a financial instrument that pulls together a basket of financial instruments together, or let's just say, for example, pulls together all these individual stocks and puts them all into one single instrument. So for example, let's just say that you really like the technology sector. You want to be invested in that technology sector. You feel that sector is going to go up in value, but you don't know what technology stock that you should buy. Should you buy Apple? Should you buy Google? Should you buy any specific technology company? And you don't want to deal with the hassles of actually having to research and go through that. You believe that the whole entire sector, technology sector, will go up. So what you can do is you can buy a technology ETF that basically tracks that whole sector. So you just buy basically one instrument and you have exposure to the whole technology sector. Now, the other thing in terms of benefits of trading ETFs is instead of having to buy all these various equities or these companies, you can actually buy that ETF and trade that ETF like an individual stock. So they have their own stock symbol, they're traded on the stock market or some of the stock exchanges, and just by basically buying that ETF, again, you have exposure to that entire sector. Another thing in terms of benefit of trading ETFs is you can access any markets around the world by trading ETFs. So let's just say, for example, you believe that the Japanese market, stock market, is going to go higher. Instead of having to actually buy specific Japanese equities or actually open an account and get access to the Japan market, is you can actually buy a North American ETF that has exposure, that is invested in that specific region, and again, just by buying it like a stock itself. One more thing in regards to the benefit of trading ETFs is for those who are invested in mutual funds is ETFs have a much lower management fee. So therefore, you can save some costs in terms of the management fees on that end. If you want to learn more about ETFs, I actually written an ebook on exchange traded funds on my blog at mikesir.com. So go to the ebooks area and you'll be able to download that free ebook on ETFs. Next week we're going to talk about how do you find stock trading opportunities. What are some of the tools out there that will allow you to be able to filter through all these ideas that you have, all these company stocks, and find that specific idea that you feel has the greatest potential. So we're going to talk about that next time. So again, make sure to subscribe to our videos, like us on Facebook and Twitter. See you guys here next time.